welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a memory spread for Christmas week or holiday week, however you celebrate this week of December 21st through the 27th in my Recollections Planner using the kit December 25th from GoldPaperPrints. I will have everything linked down below, including the base and the pre-plan for this spread. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment down below or DM me on my Instagram, which I will also have linked down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it and I will show you guys what happened this week. Hey guys, I thought I would hop on here real quick to apologize because apparently it shut off right as I hit record. So I put all this down. As you can see, I just went ahead and finished on camera the best I could. And yeah, so I'm just gonna fill out a couple things and then yeah. Alright guys, this is the final look of my Christmas spread. Didn't really do a whole lot, but got a lot done. And yeah, let's go ahead and do the leftovers, and then that's it. There's quite a few, but still have a lot left over. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, with the occasional bonus videos on Tuesday, and I do hauls once or twice every month on Thursdays. So make sure to check that out, and all links down below, and hit that notification bell so that way you can always receive a notification whenever I post a video. Alright, happy Wednesday guys, bye.